morning, everyone. I hope everybody's having an amazing Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday. Thank goodness. I'm like so ready for the weekend already because I hate this new time change. I need to get used to it. But yeah, my daughter called me at 4 o'clock this morning, or texted me 4 o'clock this morning because she was feeling sick. I felt so bad for her. But I managed to get her calmed down and make her feel better. So I'm hoping she feels better now. I think she ate something and that didn't sit right with her. So hopefully that's what it was. But she hasn't texted me since then, so hopefully she's okay. So I've been up since about 4 this morning. Oh, look at the sign. It looks neat.
Yes, baby. Saw it yesterday.
Well, no, they didn't put the top one. They hadn't put the top yet. Anyways, we'll see how everything goes. He'll be going to work. He's gonna go in. He's gonna get off at 4 with me too. He's just going in for 8 hours, which is a good thing. But he'd rather be home, asleep, in bed, not doing nothing.
Yep.
Right?
Yep.
Exactly how I feel, because when he goes to work on Saturday, that's how I'm gonna feel. While he's at work, I'm gonna be in bed, asleep, not doing nothing until right before he gets home. I'll start cleaning up and everything. I'll probably be a little earlier than that, but you'll get the gist of what I'm saying. But anyways, yeah, we're on our way to work, and these little guys are getting on my nerves, guys. I have to actually change them out every freaking day now. Like, change out the top and the bottom. Before it was just the bottom. Now I'm having to take off the top too, because yesterday I was like, you know what, I'll just change out the bottom and not the top. So I changed out the bottom and I left the top alone, and I didn't change it out. And when I was eating yesterday, I could only eat half of what I was eating because the top one got loose and I couldn't eat no more. So kind of made me mad. So now every day I have to change out both of them. So I guess we'll see what happens. But I'm still using the Fix-It-In, the blue one that I've showed y'all. So I mean, that's my go-to adhesive. So yeah. So guys, it just started raining out here. Look how dark it got. That's just like in a matter of minutes that it got like that. Crazy. I don't know what the deal is. Cold front coming in, that's what it is. Hey guys, I haven't been on here in a minute, and I did not record this morning, so you're gonna have a little bit from yesterday and a little bit from today. Hey, how you doing? It's me. I just been so busy, guys. I've been racking my brain all day long because the boss wants me to do, well, actually the boss didn't know I did so much stuff, and now he wants me to take care of everything that I was doing. I mean, I got a crap load of stuff to do, like literally a crap load of stuff. And the boss man wants me to take care of it, so I've been busy. I've been so busy. But anyways, that's why I haven't recorded in 2 days. I had to get out a report as soon as I could, because I was supposed to have some of it out like a couple of weeks ago, and then some more out last week, and then like every week a little bit at a time. Well, I haven't been able to do that, so I had to catch up on everything. I had to do everything, and oh my god, guys, it's been so crazy, like so crazy. But that being said, it is cold out here. It is raining. Let me see. 51 degrees outside, guys. 51 degrees. Like, freaking cold. I'm leaving a little later than what I usually leave because my husband was talking to me. Yeah, he's working today. And he was letting me know what happened this morning. And then he forgets his phone in the car. Yeah, he forgets his phone in the car. So I had to get off, and I've never been in his building before. And I'm like, I walk in there, I'm like, oh shit, where do I go? Excuse my language, I'm sorry. I'm like, where do I go? And I walk in, and I was gonna go. I saw it said office, and I was gonna go in the office, and then I saw this guy that knows who my husband is. So I was like, hey, do you know where Ruben's at? And he's like, yeah, over there. I was like, can you give him his phone? Yeah, my husband would go crazy if he didn't have his phone. So I texted him. Hopefully he got his phone. I'm hoping he got his phone, because that's gonna be messed up if somebody took his phone. But anyways, we'll find out in a little bit if he got his phone. My car's gonna get so dirty. They cleaned it up so good, and it's gonna get dirty now. Sad. I showed y'all how it looked after they cleaned it, and now it's gonna get so dirty. And I still have to stop at H-E-B so I can get a couple of things. Yeah. And I didn't want to get off at H-E-B. I didn't want to get off anywhere. I didn't want to, nothing. But anyways, so yeah, I got to see my daughter today. Every day I'm leaving work, she's not there yet. But they're not supposed to be there till 4:30, and she always tries to make it at 4 so I can see her. But she hasn't been making it at 4, so I haven't been able to see her. I mean, I'll see her when I'm driving down the road, and I'll just wave at her, and that's it. I can't see her. I mean, I just wave at her. Yeah, I'm on my way home, and I'm just ready to, yeah. I guess, I know I didn't have that much content on my video today. I didn't really do anything. I mean, I've been so busy, and my camera looks so clear today. Like, I don't know what it is. Oh, my hair too, guys. I've been putting my hair up, but I've been letting like a few pieces of hair just hang down. And I like that. I like that, a few pieces. I mean, like this side, it would be doing it, but I didn't bring it down yet. I mean, I could just pull it down. But I don't put that many bobby pins in my hair to keep it all up. I just let it hang down. And I like the way it looks. See how it looks? I like the way it looks whenever it's like that. So, and then the back part. morning, good night, good evening, or whatever else it is at the time you're watching this. I hope you're having an awesome one. And until my next video,